Hi, my name is Shurley. I am from Cabot, Arkansas. I've been working in the customer support, coming up with recommendations for customers and for owners.
My name is Gasparini. I'm a 22-year French student in Aviation and International Management. I'm part of the sourcing department.
My name is Maria van Scherrenburg. I am from Ottawa, Ontario, Canada, and I'm currently studying mechanical engineering at the University of Ottawa. I am working with the maintenance engineering team, and I'm helping optimize the maintenance program.
Yeah, I am from Oswell and I'm 21. I am from Normandy in France. I am in the marketing and sales team.
From day one, I felt like I was a part of the team.
Everyone was willing to share their experience and knowledge with me.
It was very interesting to see all the different departments and how they interlink.
It was thrilling to be able to interact directly with the customers.
The most impressive thing I noticed at Tarbes was the sense of community. Everyone here knows each other by name.
Sandpoint is a great little town with a lot to offer. It's really charming.
Tarbes was incredible.
I've discovered a lot in France, and not only the towns, but also the culture, the different foods, the mannerisms.
My favorite, I think, was a stack of fluffy pancakes drizzled with maple syrup.
My favorite memory was being able to fly in a rally with Roman at customer support.
We had a flight in a Kodiak 100 with Mr. Nicolas Chabert. A memory I think I will never forget, so thank you. I would highly recommend this internship for anyone passionate about aviation.
This is a great internship to learn more about the different jobs in the aeronautical sector.
Working here over the summer has only heightened that desire. I really do want to work within the aircraft industry.
It seems just like a dream, so I just came here actually.